Okay, so today I'm going to show you the proper way to clean a toilet. Two things that most people miss. If I didn't tell you before, if you didn't see it on my sink video, make sure that you go watch that. I was a professional cleaner for 11 years at a bank, so they were very, very particular. Okay, so let me show you the two things that you'll notice when you go over someone's house. Most people miss this: the back of the toilet, okay? And the toilet bowl itself, the base. Okay, so you can kind of see that right there. And I could have cleaned this before I went on video, but it makes more sense. I like to see dirt, okay? If I'm watching a cleaning video, I want to see the before and after. So it's going to be a little dirty, okay? Maybe a lot dirty, but this is real life, okay? Everybody does number one and number two. So this is what I want to show you. Most people miss the back, most people miss the base, and then most people miss under the toilet seat. Okay, so the first thing that I do is I'll close the seat, and I've already sprayed everything down, but for the purpose of the video, I'll do it again. I'll spray this. I'm using Odoban disinfectant, and it smells good. It kills 99.9% of germs. So I cover the base real good and on the sides. Okay, I'll lift the toilet seat up, spray that down real good, spray under it and everything. Then I'll get my combination is bleach and it's Lysol, lemon Lysol again. And you want to make sure you get under the rim of the toilet seat too. Okay, so I'll let that sit. Make sure that you have some ventilation going on, some windows open, something so that, you don't start sneezing and coughing and everything. I only put a little bleach in there, but if I clean, I want to smell a little bleach, just a little. All right, so what I'll do is make sure that you have your paper towels, disposable gloves, your trash can right next to you. Now I'm going to go over this with you. Okay, and I just forgot, I need my toilet brush. Now usually I have a little brush that I can use, but I'm going to use an old toothbrush to get behind and under the toilet, okay? The good thing is, if you have one of these old toothbrushes with like this or something, this is good to use. Okay, so here we go. Wipe it down. Make sure that you get it nice and clean, okay? A lot of times I'll go into places and they'll tell me, hey, it's already clean or whatever, but no. I'm like, who cleaned this? And say, I cleaned it before you came. Where? It's not supposed to look like that if it's clean, okay? Make sure you get the bowl, the handle real good, okay? And then here we go, right behind here. Get your toilet, your tissue, not your tissue, what am I talking about? Your toothbrush. Lord, I done called it everything except the right thing. Okay? Okay? And let me see if I could do this. Now, I know somebody's going to be like, that's nasty. You're using a toothbrush or whatever, sweetheart. I don't use this toothbrush. I bought a new one. This is old. Plus, I rinsed it out real good. And it's got bleach and everything else on it by now. So don't even worry about it. You can do this with a plain toothbrush or a motorized toothbrush. This is actually my first time doing this with a motorized toothbrush. It's kind of cool. All right. Now I'm lifting up the seat. Getting where those latches and the handle is. Oh, this is nasty. All right. I'm done with that. I'll turn it off. All right, turn it off. Okay, and I'll put that right there to rinse that off a little bit later. And then I'll put it under the sink so I know that that's the toothbrush to wipe off the toilet with. Okay, so then I'll go back here and I'll wipe that. Okay. It's looking better already, y'all. Okay. Throw that away. Get me another one. Some more paper towel. All right. Wipe this down real good. There we go. Yeah, so the main thing is, what I learned is you want to pay attention to detail, okay? Most people don't. Make sure you get all around the seat. Okay, and this seat is a little wonky. So what I'll do is I'll tighten it up from the bottom. Now, if you really want to get super clean, you see these? You can unloosen these or whatever from the bottom. And in that way, you can take the seat off and then clean where these clamps go. I saw another video where they did that. And yeah, it was really nasty. Okay, so now I'm going to get the sides. Okay, and I'm going to get the base.